Has been sequestered, meaning they'll be kept away from outside contact for the duration of the trial.
Local 3's Xavier Harris spoke with former Hamilton County District Attorney Neil Pinkston, who says that move could be crucial.
And as a defense attorney, your main concern is that everybody has already heard of this case and they've already convicted my guy and they hadn't heard a single bit of proof.
Former Hamilton County District Attorney Neil Pinkston says the national spotlight on this case has made it nearly impossible to find an unbiased jury in Memphis, which is why the judge moved the jury selection to Chattanooga.
And they come here and they select a jury with the hopes that even though someone here may have heard of this incident, they have not been so saturated or inundated with news coverage that they've already formed an opinion about the guilt or innocence of the defendant.
He compares it to a local case that required a similar approach.
Benjamin Brewer was a tractor-trailer truck driver who killed 6 people at exit 11 in Ooltewah a couple of years ago.
Brewer was convicted on multiple counts of vehicular homicide by intoxication for causing the deadly Ooltewah crash on I-75. To prevent outside influence, Judge James Jones Jr. ordered the jury in the Nichols trial to be sequestered.
They stay usually at a unnamed local hotel, and they're under the guard of, it would be the Hamilton County Sheriff's Office or the Shelby County Sheriff's Office. The only way they can talk to family is if the phone calls are monitored.
Pinkston says it's a tough but effective strategy. During jury selection, candidates answered extensive questionnaires to test their objectivity.
First, it'd be kind of like, who are you? What do you do? Stuff like, what are your hobbies? What did your wife do? What did your husband do? And then it gets into more particularized questions about if you've been on a jury before. If so, what kind of a jury? A civil or a criminal? Were you the foreperson? Was a verdict rendered?
And beyond impartially, Pinkston says diversity on the jury is key to fairness.
That's always important because you want a cross-section of the community where this event occurred, idealistically, to then have a voice about the community they live in, and is this a crime or isn't it, but based on the law.
Legal experts say this trial could set a new standard for how the courts handle cases involving use of force. For Tyre Nichols' family and for millions who saw that video, this trial isn't just about the past, it's about what happens next. Reporting in Hamilton County, Xavier Harris, Local 3 News.